Hello friends, today we will understand what are mean values, range and variance as well as coefficient of variance. So these all are the measurements which are frequently used in calculations of population genetics as well. Okay, so the first one is mean. So mean value is an average value of all the characters present in sample. Okay, so it's an average of all the observations in the sample and basically denotes as x bar. Okay, so x bar is an summation of x divided by n, where x represents total number of varieties, or else we can say that observations present in ensamples, and sum of x is an sum of all observations present in sample, whereas capital N is a total number of observations in the sample. Then after range is nothing but it is an difference between largest and smallest number of observations present in the sample or else population. So how we calculate variance is basically denotes as an S square, and it is a measure of dispersions in the sample. So it's an average square of all deviations in the sample. So basically standard deviations value is sum of x minus x bar whole square divided by capital N minus 1. So we all are familiar with it. So if we put an value for total number of variance, that denotes as an S square, so that will be sum of x square minus summation of x whole square divided by capital N, and this whole value is divided by n minus 1, where sum of x square is an square of sum of observations, whereas sum of x whole square denotes as in sum of square of all observations. Okay, so there is a little bit difference between these two values. So we all know the familiar with standard deviation, that I already told you that S is equal to sum of x minus x bar square divided by n minus 1. So how we calculate coefficient of variance? So is nothing but a ratio of standard deviation and mean value. Basically denotes as an CV, that is S divided by x bar. So we can clearly understand this whole terminologies by solving the problem. So here the problem is given, that is 5 different varieties of tobacco, that is Nicotiana tabacum is taken. Okay, and these 5 different varieties are denoted as V, W, X, Y and Z, and number of these varieties, which I already told you that denotes as an X, is 15, W is 30, X is present in 25 numbers, Y is 35 and Z is 40 numbers. Okay, now these varieties are particularly present per land of per units of land. For an example, it is spread over kilometers, is spread over acres, or spread over hectares. So likewise the value of units is per hectare, per kilometer and per kilometer, hectare, as well as any units of land. Okay, so please keep in mind. So if we consider the total of these x values, that denotes as an sum of x. So sum of x is already taken, that I already calculated, that is 145. Now x square, if we put in square of this individual observation, that will be 15 square is 225, 30 square is 900, 25 square is 625. Likewise, if we take an square of sum of these square values, and this final calculation is 4575. Now mean value is calculated, that is the equation of mean value is sum of x divided by capital N. So sum of x we already calculated, that is 145, and total number of observations, that is total number of varieties, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So divided by 5, so mean value is 29. I already told you the units of mean value is per land of units, per acre, per hectare, etc. Now how we calculate variance. So before calculating variance, it is very necessary to calculate sum of square of observations, that is sum of x square. So sum of square of observation is 145. Okay, so if we take a whole square, that is 145 square, that is 21,025. And then after we will take square of sum of observations, that is sigma x square. So square of sum of observations is already calculated, that is 4,575. So this value is taken. So if we put this square of sum of observations values as well as sum of square of observation values in the equation of variance, that is square of sum of observations minus sum of square of observations divided by capital N, and this whole value is divided by n minus 1. So we will get a final value of variance, and that will be 29.02, and that is approximately, because generally variance is taken in percent values, and that is 29%. So all the varieties have this population of tobacco will have a 29% of variance. Okay, now if we calculate range, so I told you earlier, range is nothing but highest number of observation minus lowest number of observation. So from this value we can see that variety V variety is present in lowest number, and Z variety is present in highest number. So directly for 40 minus, we will get the value of 40 minus 15, that will be 25. So range of Nicotina population is 25. So I hope you will understand this terminologies very well. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.